like a clown. You can't go on. Yeah, yeah,
Dancing's gonna be allowed on this one. Okay. All right. Is everybody ready? I can't hear you. I'm supposed to say yeah. Is everybody ready? So we did 1929, 1939, 1949, 1959, but now to 1969. Little that loopy-loo. Talking about my baby. Oh, little that loopy-loo. Give a heart to baby, yeah. Ain't no that she couldn't do. She's my pretty little baby. Oh, little that loopy-loo. If you wanna do the dog, loopy-loopy going down. If you wanna want to say, yeah, she's the best of miles around. She's my pretty little baby. Whoa, little that loopy-loo. Mama, loopy-loo. Yeah, oh, loopy. Come on, pretty baby, yeah. Come on, do the hoochie-coo, yeah. She's my pretty little baby. Whoa, little that loopy-loo. All right. Come on, let's get your hands warm out there. Come on, everybody. You can't stand, you can't stand. You stand. Get those hands warm, but we're not done yet. Eddie Carlson on the drums, everybody. All right, we're gonna try it one more time now. Everybody ready this time? Yeah, baby, you got it over there. This time we're gonna do it a little more feel, yeah. All right. Come on, little lady, you, yeah. She's my pretty little baby. Oh, little that loopy-loo. Thank you. We'll skip the line, fandango. Turn cartwheels across the floor. I was feeling kinda seasick as the crowd called out for more, yeah. The room was humming harder
Kind of like riding a bicycle.
as the ceiling blew away. no reason. Keith Brown on the guitar. But the truth is plain to see. As I wander through my play cards, that I would not let her be. No, no, no. On a 16 Vestal Virgin, we're leaving for the coast. And although my eyes were open wide, we just might as well be close. And so it was as a little soul is dead.
You can stay up, because now this time you get to sing on this one too. We want you to sing on the chorus of this one. We don't need to introduce it, you know what it is. When we get to the chorus, we're all going to sing it together. It's a little bit later in the 60s, as they say. You remember that, right? Everybody remember the 60s? So do we. It's amazing.
This one.
up to the 90s. We're going to give you something we like from the 90s.
A solo. Eagle song.
What do you think? Isn't this Iowa-born stuff? Even Mike McCormick from Minneapolis. Give them another round of applause. They deserve it. This is a Notorious Snowmobile. I'd like to also make mention of this guy right over here. You know, life doesn't always treat us totally 100% fair, but the challenge and the efforts of an individual to take part, this guy right here. Mike Buchholz. I think that is fantastic, and I tell you what, I'd rather award this kind of a person than most. So, Mike, you're to be commended, very much so. Now that's Iowa rock and roll at its finest.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime. I'm Peter McLean from the Roof Garden Ballroom on the shores of beautiful Lake Okoboji. Back again after 30 years for the heart-stopping performance for the Iowa Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Put your hands together again for my soul brothers, the hardest working band in show business. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fabulous Flippers!
Sound people that provided all the amplifiers, microphones, and all of the systems for my great friends. Let's get them a nice hand too.
Okay, we're going to do something from George Gershwin. What? Featuring Danny High, on organ, on vocals. A retreatment of George Gershwin's famous Summertime.
Where were the people across the street the night eating with me? We've been drinking since 5 o'clock waiting for this song. This is a big hit for us back in the 60s. I hope you like it.
ladies, we got some strange looks at first. I remember we came up to some ball. It might have been Sioux City to the Shore. It was to the Shore Acres Ballroom in Sioux City. And there's a bunch of people gathered around the stage. We'd never been there before, and they're going, a trombone? I mean, what's a trombone doing up there? And we brought some other things, some guys that people haven't really paid attention to. Like, for instance, James Brown. And we like James Brown, we like what he does, and we like the groove that he catches, and we're going to try to catch it right here.
I don't know if anybody's ever heard of James Brown up there, have you? Do you feel good? I think you'll remember this one. Yourself and nobody else. With me, I'll go crazy. Forget me, I'll go crazy. You gotta live yourself and nobody else. You gotta live yourself and nobody else. A little kiss. better, they're getting better. I got to tell you something, this song is about my new bride. I took a wife here on July the 4th of this year. Can you imagine at my age getting married again? But I still feel like I'm 19, so why the heck not go on? I'd like to introduce her and her beautiful son. I'm talking about my baby has been around since the Righteous Brothers and the Righteous. It's okay. You got it? Horn sections have to change gears. I guess we're just going to have to start off adding the horns, you know what? Come on! Your baby's in my bed, so fine. I'm talking about my baby, not your baby's in my bed, she's so fine. She's right there to love, people come, rain or shine. I love her, but you love her, 'cause I love her.
Why not?
We'd like the audience to start this one off. We do this because the horn section, we try to keep them in time, you know. They sure like your support. We love all your support tonight. Come on. I don't want to lose a good thing that I got. If I do, I would surely lose a lot. Just one touch from her, you know it means so much. It's like thunder, lightning, the way you love me is frightening. I better not hold. Well, I'm not superstitious. That woman, I can't take no chance. She sees too late that I could have loved. Just one touch from her, no it means so much. It's like thunder, lightning, the way you love me is frightening. I better not hold. It's no secret that woman, I can't take no chance. She sees too late that I get a man's just one touch from her. You know me so much. It's like thunder, lightning. The way you love me is frightening. I better not. Oh, we got better. Knock up. I better knock on. Early in the morning. Knock on. Late at night. Knock up in the morning. Knock on. Knock on. Let's get the horn section out here. We're gonna do some Uncle Willie. Come on. still do it. Give it up for the horns, huh?